This is a question of year October to October 2012, 41 variant, and question number 4. First of all, what a question given here is asking here the three forces acting, three forces. In this question, students normally confused by given the fourth force R. Actually, they think 1, 2, 3, 4. So, right? So normally and the question here mentioned three force acting here. And for your knowledge, resultant of all three forces is R. So this is actually resultant force. So don't consider this force, okay? Because it's a resultant of all three forces. And now, first of all, I resolve, and all of you know this angle 25, force 12. And what is the basic way we have? So this is 25 because this angle always same here. So 12 cos 25, and 1 4 parallel to x-axis and 1 parallel to y-axis. 25 sine 25. Sorry, 12. This is 12, not 25. Okay, so there's a 12 because formula force come before and angle come later with sine or cos. And after this, if you talk about the next part, this 8 angle 10 degree. So 8 and 10 degree. And this is a 10. So for your knowledge, this is 10 degree. And this is parallel to y-axis. So which angle parallel to with angle, whatever, this is called cos component. And which is called, this is other is called sine component, 8 sine 10. So now I'm going to, and this is acting parallel to y-axis. It has no components, so make sure. So let's start. Now I'm finding Rx. So Rx is very easy way. One more thing, I just tell you one thing. This R direction will help us how you find Rx and how you find Ry. Example I give you, example. If R is acting this way, this R here, so 100% confirm that its x-axis is this way and y-axis is this way. So it means the x component, this is bigger, this is bigger, this is smaller. So then I will start Rx from where? I will start Rx from this force. So this force minus that force. But in the current scenario, because R is this, so Rx acting this way, the net resultant x component acting right side. So this force is bigger. So I will start from here and ends here. So I hope so got a point. I repeat again, 12 cos 25, I took here minus this force. But imagine R is not mentioned here. R is given somewhere here, and is common sense Rx. Here Rx is acting rightwards. Here Rx acting leftwards. So this is bigger, this is smaller. Then I will write this way. 8 cos 10 minus 12 cos 25. So I believe all of you understood what I am saying. The point is very, very clear. Okay, wait a minute. So now I got a Rx and I just find the Rx value. It's a matter of typing in calculator. So 12 times 2 cos 25 and minus 8 times 2 cos 10. It is giving me Rx is 2.9972. Now what is Ry? Because R is here, common sense, this Ry is here acting up. It means confirm this component is bigger as compared to below component. So I will take as it. So this plus this minus 2. So 12 sine 25, 12 sine 25 plus 8 sine 10 plus 8 sine 10 minus 2. Recheck. 12 sine 25 plus, correct, okay. So I'm typing in calculator and 8 times 2 sine 10 and -2. And I'm getting here 4.4606 newtons and newtons. So according to situation, I make this diagram. Okay. And Rx is this way acting, and Ry this way acting. And this is called resultant. And this is Rx, 90 degree Ry. But I will get this angle in this process. But I'll talk later what is the reason. This means 2.9972 square and 4.4606 square. So when I type it, this is, so answer is coming 5.37 newtons. This is my resultant force. What he was asking, this is a resultant force he asking. But he given, okay, I just erase it and I give you this angle is as an alpha angle. This angle I call it alpha. This alpha, because he used this angle theta here. You can see the question. So I will keep the same theta here. So I will not use theta. I will get alpha and subtract from 90 degree. So let's go for alpha. Alpha is equal to tan inverse, opposite by adjacent. So this is Ry. So 4.4606 divided by 2.9972. So when you get it, tan inverse 4.4606 and divided 2.9972. And answer, I'm getting 56.1 degree. But you know very well, I got this angle. He asked for this angle. So we need theta. So simply say 90 minus 56.1 degree. And I got the answer is a 33.9 degree. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. But make sure if the R is acting this way, so naturally Ry is this way and Rx is this way. Ry, this means, so this is bigger force and these two are smaller in this condition. But I hope so you got a difference very clear and the whole concept is clear.